In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix gifts option not showing on Instagram. So first of all, launch open Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. So if you want the gift option to show on your Instagram, what you have to do is switch to professional account. For that, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your profile interface. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings and activity interface. What you have to do is find the option for account type and tools and tap on it. Now make sure to switch to the professional account. You can see over here right now I already have the professional account. Now after you switch to the professional account, you should be able to find the option for gift. But if you're still not being able to find that option, you might not be eligible for it. In order to check your eligibility, what you have to do is tap on this option monetization that you can see in this interface. If you're already eligible, you should be able to find it under the section for tools. If not, you'll be able to find this section for not yet eligible and you'll be able to find the gifts over here. Simply tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to check the eligibility. Normally, in order to have this option shown, you need 500 followers and it must be supported on your region. So if you're eligible, you should be able to access this option. That means you'll just have to wait for your account to be eligible to access the gifts option and it will be available. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix gifts option not showing on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.